Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Carmen and today I created this look and actually had a lot of fun creating it. So if you want to see how this look turns out, just keep on watching. So I already primed and set my Wet n Wild concealer, light to medium beige, and set them with the Airspun translucent powder. And now I'm just gonna go in with both of these palettes, the Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics and the Jaclyn Hill Morphe. Okay, the first shade I'm gonna apply to my eyelid, it's gonna be this blue right here from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just gonna apply it on my crease. First, just apply it right here. Just remember, girl, blending is key. Because nobody wants harsh lines, harsh dates, or harsh anything. Okay, so I already finished applying this shade. And now I'm just going to go in with the Morphe palette and apply this shade right here. And you see how much it has already intensified the look? Pigmented, like this is one dip right here. I'm gonna do the same thing in this other eye. Aqua blue realness right here. Okay, so I already finished applying that shade. Now I'm gonna go back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just apply this darker shade right here. Smaller tapered brush. Just keep in mind that you're gonna have to keep the circular figure for your halo eye. Challenge for me because I actually never almost ever do halo eyes, but you know, I just felt like challenging myself to this. Why does this always happen to me? That's why it's important to do your eyes first before you do your face, because if any loose pigment or any pigment at all just gets in your face, it's no problem because you haven't started doing it. The next shade I'm going to be using is going to be the last shade. I'm going to go in with a little more defined taper brush from e.l.f. Going with this black shade from the Jaclyn. Thousand years later, and I almost finished actually. I'm just gonna apply. That I used in the middle is actually the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. in Desert Depths. While off camera, I just applied my mascara and applied lashes. The mascara that I used was my all-time favorite, the Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. And while I was at it, I was looking at mine and I was like, it looks like it needs something else. So I just went in with a white liquid eyeliner and just applied it on my crease on top of the glitter halo that I created. And now I'm just going to take this off because honestly I'm already done with my eyes. Guys, I almost forgot. I haven't primed my face. I already moisturized my face, but I haven't primed. I'm just gonna prime it with the L'Oreal Paris Miracle Blur. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. Because it's too dark. Just gonna go in with the other shade and just do one line between. Okay, now that I already finished applying my foundation, unlike my sister, I actually have to use concealer. Now that I already finished applying the concealer, I'm just gonna go in with my Airspun in the shade Translucent, and I'm just gonna bake while I contour. I'm gonna go in with my contour palette from Amuse Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna use this shade right here. Now that I already finished with my contour, I'm just gonna dust off the excess powder. Now that I already finished with dusting off the excess powder, I'm just gonna go in with a smudge brush and apply some eyeshadow in the lower line. I like using this shade. Okay, I'm back. So the thing that I did was that I just applied the mascara of my choosing on my lashes, my lower lash, and applied eyeliner. However, the eyeliner is optional. I use the Scandalous Glow Kit from Beauty Creations. It's one of my favorite highlighters that is very affordable, and the highlighter that I'm gonna use is gonna be this shade right here, the darker shade, and this other. Going with my Tarte blush in the shade Feisty. Now that I'm already done, I'm just gonna apply the Mario setting spray. So for the liquid lipstick that I used was the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour lipstick in the shade Daddy, clear lip gloss on top. So this video was a challenge for me. So guys, don't forget to like this video, comment down below. I'm actually very curious on what kind of eye look do you guys have trouble with, and what kind of eye look do you guys enjoy to do. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified whenever me and my sister upload. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.